Hey guys! Hey, I just wanted to mention something that I saw on a tutorial the other day. She really explained where to put your contour, and I think a lot of people are putting it too low, myself included. So this was something I learned and I wanted to share with you. So I'm just picking up my latte on my contouring brush, and you want to pay attention to where your cheekbone is. Like, you should be able to rest your finger against it, and you should be able to see the curve there. And right where it curves out and starts to curve back under, but not underneath it, is where you actually want to put your contour, which is right there. Now, normally I was putting it down here, but put it just a little higher than you're used to. And you basically apply it in a straight line heading towards here, and then you're going to blend it up from there. And then I do it along my hairline, underneath. And again, it's right on the line. You don't want to do it above because then it'll look like a beard, but you don't need to do it totally underneath, which is where I was doing it too. So right there, and blend, blend, blend. There you go, right? Simple. But just that little bit of placement, I think, made a difference in how my cheekbones appear. So makeup is fun, guys. It's not a matter of disguising things you don't like. It's just fun. Just have fun with it. Have a great day.